Lux water heaters are of the unvented type, designed to be connected to a mains feed water supply, feeding hot water to one or more outlets. The majority of the range can be installed without a G3 qualification and are powered by a 13 amp outlet. No special taps are required, and the hot water produced is supplied at equal pressure from the mains water supply to the water heater. The Lux is available in either 10 or 15 litre oversing or undersink models, so it can be housed in a cupboard or at a high level. We also offer a 30 litre variant which is only available as an oversing model. Derek is going to install the 10 litre undersink version in an existing kitchen unit. The Lux comes with a cutting-edge and compact design, and with improved performance and faster heat-up times. We all need small amounts of hot water for washing and cleaning. Loft conversions, cloakrooms, utility rooms, small industrial units, cafes and building sites are just a few of the places where Ariston's Lux electric water heaters have been installed. So, just how simple are they to install? UK regulations currently permit unvented water heaters with a capacity of up to 15 litres to accommodate expansion within the supplied pipework. However, this depends on the proximity of the water heater to the cold water draw-off. If you haven't got the desired pipework expansion configuration, you will have to use Kit A, which is a 2 litre expansion vessel and non-return valve. In addition to this, you must ensure the unit receives water at no more than 3.5 bar of inlet pressure. If yours is higher than this, please use Kit B, which is a pressure reducing valve. The first step of the installation is to clear the working area and familiarise yourself with the installation manual. Carefully unpack the items and ensure all components are present. Each Lux is supplied with dielectric junctions, a wall mounting bracket, 6-bar pressure relief valve, installation manual and quick start guide. It is now time to establish where we are going to mount the appliance. For this, Derek will temporarily fit the dielectric junctions. These protect the unit against corrosion. Next, Derek is going to position the Lux in situ and mark the wall for fixing the mounting bracket. It is important to ensure the surface is suitable to support the Lux and the weight of the water. To do this, we've measured 150mm from our pencil mark to the bottom of our mounting bracket. Position the bracket, ensuring it is level, and mark fixing holes. Once the wall mounting bracket position is level and marked, make holes in the wall using an appropriate drill bit. Insert appropriate fixings of the wall type and screw the mounting bracket into position using suitable screws. Here, Derek is applying a layer of PTFE tape to the inlet and outlet terminals to ensure a watertight fit. In this case, he has also chosen to apply some silicone jointing compound to ensure water tightness. He then fits the dielectric junctions and tightens using an appropriate spanner. Offer the Lux onto the mounting bracket and push down. It is advised to check the unit for stability. In this installation video, Derek has opted to use brass and soldered compression fittings. Now Derek turns off the mains water supply so he can begin the plumbing of the unit. In order to do this, he must tee into the water supply for a connection to the Lux water heater. Here, Derek has prepared a new section of pipework with a T in the supply pipe to accommodate the expansion vessel fitted onto the cold inlet. Derek is now happy with the positioning of the pipework and proceeds to secure the joints using a mixture of compression and solder fittings. If using a naked flame, it is advisable to use the necessary precautions to protect the surroundings. In our case, we have used a suitable heat mat to protect the cabinet. The next step is to work out the position of the pressure relief safety valve. This has a discharge pipe that needs to be run to a safe location outside. Once the position has been marked, Derek covers the Andrus lux and drills the hole for the discharge pipework. There are various ways to run the discharge pipework. Option 1, as illustrated here, shows the discharge pipework being run directly through the wall and terminating in a safe location. It is best practice to sleeve the pipe through the wall. Option 2, as illustrated here, shows the discharge pipework being run directly through the wall via a ton dish. This is used when you are unable to directly terminate to a safe location or if the pipe lengths are excessive. In this instance, you can use our Kit C ton dish. This gives a visible indicator of system overpressurization. In this installation, we present a third option as Derek wasn't able to run the discharge pipework to a safe location outside. The Hotton is a single product which is used as a ton dish with an odour seal, which allows us to discharge to the house waste system. Here we illustrate the connection from the hot water outlet to the hot tap using 15mm copper pipe coming from the Andrus lux going to an approved flexible tap connector. Here, due to the close vicinity of the main stopcock that will prevent the expansion, Derek has opted for Kit A, the 2-litre expansion vessel. He is wrapping a layer of PTFE tape to the half-inch thread and attaches a compression connector. To make the final electrical connection, the fascia panel is removed via the 2 screws, which are located behind the cosmetic caps. The cable is threaded through the rear of the Andrus lux and connected as per the wiring instructions in the manual, and connected to the neutral live and earth as illustrated here by Derek. The electrical connection is via 13 amp spur. In most cases a standard switch to fuse spur is sufficient. To start the commissioning process, Derek begins by turning on the mains water supply and allows the air to flush through the pipework. At this stage he checks all of the pipework to ensure there are no leaks and the connections are well made. Switch on the electrical supply on the fuse spur. The temperature adjustment knob is set to the E position to maximise economy, and Derek allows the Andrus lux to heat up the water. Once the heating lamp on the front is extinguished, the water has reached the desired temperature. Derek opens the hot tap once more to confirm hot water is available.